2020 Top 10 Richest Jamaican Artists Alive. Jimmy Cliff has earned his fortune through his hit singles, Wonderful World, Beautiful People, Wild World, Reggae Night and more. He has starred in films such as The Harder They Come, and performed the hit soundtrack. He also created the soundtrack for Club Paradise and co-starred with actors Robin Williams and Peter O'Toole. His most popular film was Marked for Death and performed the soundtrack with his band. These are the richest Jamaican artists alive in Jamaica and their net worths in 2020. Comment if you have any issue with the list of rankings. 2. Shaggy, net worth $15 million. Shaggy acquired his wealth from 9 albums, 3 of them certified platinum and 1 gold. His hits include Boombastic, 1995, and It Wasn't Me, 2001. He was the biggest crossover success in dancehall reggae at the time. Not only did he become the genre's most commercially potent artist in the international market, he was more than just a flash in the pan, managing to sustain a career over 2 decades. 3. Sean Paul, net worth $12 million. Sean Paul is a Grammy-winning dancehall rapper and reggae artist. Paul released his first album, Stage 1, on VP Records and packed it with singles and compilation cuts from previous hit singles. His subsequent album releases, Duddy Rock, 2002, and The Trinity, 2005, were extremely successful, both of them peaking the top 10 album chart and featuring a handful of mainstream smashes. 4. Ziggy Marley, net worth $12 million. Ziggy Marley earned his wealth as lead of the band Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. Although critics argue that a substantial portion of his wealth was inherited from his father Bob Marley's fortune, in 2006, Ziggy created the album Love Is My Religion, which sold platinum worldwide. He has also won 3 Grammy Awards and is currently running the Tuff Gong record label that his father founded. Page 3 of 4. 4. 5. Damian Marley, net worth $20 million. At 35 years old, Damian is the youngest son of reggae legend Bob Marley. Though it is likely that he acquired some of his wealth from his father, his album Welcome to Jam Rock went gold in the US. Altogether Marley has released 5 albums. One of them, Distant Relatives, was a collaborative work with rapper Nas and has managed to gain worldwide recognition. Damian also has earned 3 Grammy Awards to date. 5. 6. Maxi Priest, net worth $10 million. Highly regarded in the reggae music industry, Maxi Priest generated his wealth by releasing 9 albums during the last 3 decades. In 1991, Priest's single, Set the Night to Music, reached the American top 10. His 1996 collaboration with Shaggy, That Girl, also became a hit in the US, peaking at number 27. Benny Man, net worth $4 million. As a musician, songwriter, producer, and DJ, Benny Man has released 22 studio albums. He released his famous song, Zim Zimmer, in 1997, which rocked numerous charts worldwide. He also won a Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album for his 2000 release Art and Life and has scored top 100 hits on both US and UK charts. 8. Buju Banton, net worth $2 million. Buju Banton is one of the veteran artists who played an important part in taking dancehall music into the mainstream. He came to prominence in 1992 with 2 albums, including Mr. Mention, which became the best-selling album in Jamaican history upon its release. 9. Sean Kingston, net worth $2 million. Sean Kingston is an actor, singer-songwriter and rapper. Kingston earned his money through his musical career and his many television appearances on shows such as Sweet Life on Deck and Yo Gabba Gabba. He is best known for his hit single Beautiful Girls that topped the Billboard chart. His debut album, Sean Kingston, which dropped in 2007, went gold in the US. He is also the owner of the Time Is Money record label. 10. Bounty Killer, net worth $1 million. In the mid-1990s, Bounty Killer began releasing albums, with 4 released in 1994. His 1996 album, My experience was a huge success, spending 6 months on the Billboard reggae chart. He was a pioneer of the style that has influenced new artists like Mavado, Busy Signal, and Vybz Kartel. He is the founder of a dancehall